So this week's lesson is about triptychs. Triptychs are drawings that are broken into 3 equal parts. So there's 2 options for your triptych, and I'll show you both. The first option would be to take one picture and split it into 3. So I'm going to do that first by drawing my lines. Now, if you want to use 3 separate papers, you could, but you don't have to. And if you're doing this on autodraw.com, then you can really kind of play with it however you would like. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to keep these sections as even as possible, about the same size. And now I'm going to pick one image that I'm going to have spread out through those 3. So on the example on the lesson, there's a car that's split up in between 3. But I think I'm going to do a sunset over some mountains. So I'm going to start with my mountains. Okay, now I'll color them in really quick. Use different shades of purple. I still want to see those lines, so I'm not going to color too dark over it. If you don't have colors, that's fine. You can just draw. And then I need my sunset. There's my sun. And just got color in the sky. Sunset usually has more than just blue in the sky. The clouds all kind of turn pretty colors. I might throw some red in there. Okay. So this is one option for a triptych. I have one picture that is split 3 ways. The other option for your triptych is to have 3 different drawings that all go together. So once again, I'm going to split this into 3. And to stick with the nature theme that I just had, I'm going to do just 3 different drawings from nature. So if I think of what I might see in nature if I were to go take a walk or to sit outside, one thing I would see is a flower. So I'll just draw a quick little flower. Okay. Another thing I might see in nature, I might see a butterfly. So let me draw a butterfly. Even though flowers come from the ground and butterflies are animals, it's still things I would see outside. So it sticks with my theme. Butterflies are symmetrical. I want to make sure whatever I do on this side, I do on this one too. Okay. I might have like a line, a broken line, show that my butterfly flew in. And then the last thing I'm going to draw is the beach. So it's different than a flower, it's different than a butterfly, but it's still part of nature. So I got the water. I think beaches are always a little bit difficult to draw because there's so much going on, but it's also still kind of flat. It's hard to kind of show the difference, like that I'm walking up on the beach. And the water meets the sky and they're both blue, so I gotta find 2 different shades of blue. What I like to do for sand is I color it one flat color and then I add some dots to show that there's some texture. I think it helps a little bit look, make it look like sand a little more. And I might do this turquoise for the sky. Let me add a couple clouds, because I don't have another shade of blue. There you go. So this is my nature themed triptych where I have 3 separate images, but they all stick with the same theme. And then this is just one picture that I broke up into 3 to create a triptych. So you can choose how you want to make your triptych and what your theme is about. You do not need to copy mine, but think about something that you like. And the theme doesn't even have to be something broad like nature. It could just be 3 things I like. And I could draw 3 of my favorite things. It's up to you. But when you submit it, I would like to know your theme. So if you have somewhere on your paper, or if you want to just type it to me when you submit it, if you're doing one of these with a theme, I want to know what your theme is. Remember, you can submit it to me through Teams, email, or Dojo. And if you do it on AutoDraw, just download it and submit it to me one of those 3 ways as well. Have fun!